If you're tired of juggling 3 different kitchen appliances just to make one decent family meal, this might be the multi-cooker that actually simplifies things instead of adding more clutter. A lot of budget multi-cookers promise convenience, but then end up being confusing, underpowered, or annoying to clean. The Sunvivi 12-in-1 multi-cooker is trying to solve exactly that problem by combining slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, baking, and more into one large capacity machine that's designed for busy families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants less stress around dinner time. And honestly, after looking at what it offers for the price, I can see why people are paying attention to it. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the first thing that stands out is the size. This is a 6.5-quart cooker, so it's definitely built for real family meals instead of tiny single-serving portions. You can fit a whole roast, a large batch of chili, or enough rice and curry for several people without feeling cramped. The stainless steel exterior gives it a more premium look than a lot of cheaper multi-cookers in this range, and it actually looks pretty clean sitting on a kitchen counter instead of feeling bulky or overly industrial. The touch controls are simple and easy to understand, which matters more than people think because nobody wants to spend 10 minutes figuring out dinner settings after work. What I also like is that Sunvivi didn't overload this thing with gimmicks. The presets are practical. You got sauté, rice, stew, yogurt, steam, slow cook, and manual controls, which are the kinds of functions people genuinely use every week. The nonstick crock feels smooth and solid. And because you can sauté directly inside the pot, you don't have to dirty another pan just to brown meat or onions before slow cooking. That sounds minor until you realize it cuts cleanup almost in half during busy weeknights. In day-to-day cooking, this multi-cooker feels surprisingly convenient. The 1500-watt heating system helps it heat faster than traditional slow cookers, so meals don't take forever to get going. The even heating design also helps avoid those annoying hot spots where one side burns while the other stays undercooked. I tested similar cookers before, where soups simmer unevenly or rice gets mushy around the edges, but this design seems much more consistent for regular home cooking. The delayed start feature is probably one of the biggest lifestyle upgrades here. Being able to prep ingredients in the morning, set the timer, and come home to a hot meal genuinely changes how easy dinner feels after a long work day. And the automatic keep warm mode means food stays ready without drying out too quickly. For parents, office workers, or anyone meal prepping for the week, that convenience matters way more than flashy features. Cleaning is another area where this cooker keeps things simple. The removable pot, glass lid, and steaming rack are dishwasher safe, which immediately makes it more practical for everyday use. A lot of people stop using kitchen gadgets because cleanup becomes annoying, but this one avoids that problem pretty well. The nonstick coating also helps prevent food from sticking badly, especially with sauces and rice dishes. Now, to keep this review honest, there are a few trade-offs. If you already own a premium multi-cooker like an Instant Pot Duo Crisp or Ninja Footy, you may notice this model doesn't feel quite as advanced or feature-packed. It's more focused on practical everyday cooking than high-end smart functions or pressure cooking. Also, while the touch controls are easy to use, they don't feel ultra-premium. But considering the price range, those compromises honestly make sense. Compared to other multi-cookers around this budget, the Sunvivi stands out mainly because of its balance between capacity, simplicity, and versatility. Some cheaper models offer fewer cooking modes, while others sacrifice build quality or heating performance. This one feels like it was designed for normal households that want reliable results without spending premium appliance money. So overall, if you want one cooker that can handle family meals, meal prep, soups, rice, stews, and slow-cooked dinners without turning your kitchen into a mess of extra pans and appliances, the Sunvivi 12-in-1 multi-cooker makes a strong case for itself. It's especially good for busy families, beginners, and people trying to simplify cooking routines. If you want the latest smart kitchen tech, you may want something more expensive, but for practical daily cooking, this gets a lot right. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description if you want to see current pricing or availability before it sells out during seasonal kitchen sales.